Recently, I painted a Tiffany interpretation Van Gogh inspired Almond Blossom. And actually, since I shot this video, I actually came in and blacked out the sides and cleaned up the edges. Just because when you do this technique, sometimes you get a lot of crazy drips and stuff on the other end and it wasn't so pretty. I haven't varnished it yet. That's probably the next step. But I absolutely loved doing this. And I thought, even though this isn't my color scheme per se, I thought it might be fun to do it in a different color scheme. With more of a dark and moody vibe, because that's what I'm all about. More oriental, if I was to say what it is. So I'm going to make another one of these today, same size canvas, which I think is a, what is this, a 30 by 70? And you know what I like about this is it's therapeutic. You know, maybe it's not the most popular, you know, Dutch pour, pearl pour, all that fancy stuff. And there's lots of designs that you can make. As you can see, I did the Almond Blossom. I did a pretty little yellow flower, and all these videos are available on my channel. And I also did a butterfly, in case you missed any of them. I'll put them down in the description below and you can go watch them after this one. What I love about it is not only do you get this really cool depth of a background, but it takes me like a good hour and a half to blow out all those little flowers. Yeah, and that's kind of cool. From an art therapy, getting out of my own head sometimes and just spending time in my own little world, contemplating nothing other than blowing out my little flower and playing with it with my skewer. I really enjoy that. Anyway, my name is Tiffany Remijn. Welcome to my channel. I'll meet you down on the canvas.
Find my way to you. From Waterloo to Amsterdam, we'll be in a little heaven. Ain't it fun to dream about that love? Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise. A little heaven. Gotta dream a bit while you can. Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise. A little heaven. Ain't it fun to dream about that love? Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise. A little heaven. Gotta dream a bit while you can.
Well, since that track is ending, this seemed like an appropriate time for voiceover Tiffany to jump in. So just to kind of really quickly explain before I speed up this whole thing, because this took a couple of hours to do, how I make and form my little flower. It honestly does not matter how you blow it out with the straw, other than pour the puddle, blow it out from the puddle, and then the colors will kind of explode and expose that are underneath the black. And then I lightly take the kebab skewer, I dip it in the puddle color paint that I've got over on the side, and then I drag it through very, very ever so lightly to form the petals of my flower. It's kind of that simple. So you'll see here, I'm just going to repeat the process all the way down the canvas. If I feel I have to come back in and explain some more to you, I definitely will. Anyway, ciao for now. I'm going to turn back on the music, let you listen to that for a bit. And regardless, I'll probably talk to you at the end because I like to do that.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
Well, welcome back. This is now a few days later, and this is the dried result. So this way, sorry about the lighting. Oh, the lighting just sucks. Because it's now, all the sides are finished, and it has been varnished. See, there's all my sides, all done, and I varnished it. So, and I guess you could hang it any way you want. You could either hang it, oh, stupid glare. You could either hang it this way, you could hang it this way, you could hang it this way. However, I am going to let you in on a little bit of secret, and then I'm going to give you a close-up. So you see here, I got these two little flowers kind of coming off the edge. That's because I actually turned this into a triptych. So if you're curious to see the triptych, you're going to have to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, because when I post that, you'll be able to see it. And there you go. This is the dried, varnished, hopefully I won't pick up too much glare, but you see what I'm talking about? The little flowers here coming sort of off the edge. That's because I turned this into a triptych. But it dried really, really nicely. I can't really complain about that. Nice and flat, like even though, you know, I swipe it and I contour it with my little skewer, it's nice and flat. Here, maybe I can show you even from a side angle. See? No issues. Oh, she dries quite nice and flat. No texture. I mean, if you like texture, then I guess you won't like this thing, but it is what it is. But look at my cute little flowers. Aren't they sweet? Yeah. And they have a little bit of iridescence in them because I used some pewter in my mixture. All right, well, I guess that's it until the next video.